Hello viewers, you are welcome to HMI TV, a channel that provides critical solutions to student work in chemistry and biology. Today we are going to look at electrolysis. For the previous video we have been having, we have already done a lot of calculation involving electrolysis. Today we are going to look at the new concept of finding time in electrolytic problem. If you look at the example above, you discover that calculate the amount of gold deposited when a current of 5 amperes is passed through a solution of gold salt for 2 hours 15 minutes. If the same current is used, find the time taken for 6 grams of gold to be deposited. Of course, they have given us the mass of gold here as well, 197, and they have given us 1 faraday as well, 96,500. So what you are going to look, of course, if you watch the previous video, we have used this Faraday first law to calculate the mass, and we have used Faraday first law to calculate current given in ampere. Today we are going to look at how you can calculate time. Of course, in our previous video we looked at Faraday's first law as the equation of what? Mass is directly proportional to what? Quantity, where quantity is given as what? Current times what? Times time. We look at what we are going to calculate here for today. And of course, in this equation now, you discover that what they are asking you to calculate is what? The time. And of course, there is no quantity there. So we are going to find quantity. The first thing we are going to look at is you have to convert this one, is given in grams. You have to convert it into moles. How do you convert it? We have to say mole is equal to mass all over what? Molar mass. Of course, you now have your mass as what? Your mass is given in 6. We have 6 grams. 6.0 grams all over. What's the molar mass? You are looking at the mass and the molar mass of silver. The molar mass of silver is 197. When you divide this one, you divide it by 6 divided by 197, you have 6 divided by 197, you have 0.030 moles. That is the first step of calculating this one. Then the next step is the equation. What is the equation? The equation of aromatic reaction. The equation we have gold has oxidation number of what? 1. That is, the charge has 1. Plus, of course, you know that it's a low pair of electrons. If it is 2, like in the previous example we have been looking for, we discover that for copper has 2. That is why we have 2 electrons. But here, since it is a low pair of electrons, we have only. So when you balance, we now have gold as well is solid. So here we have 1. So 1 faraday. This is 1 faraday will give you what? Will give you this mass of gold in what? In moles, 0.030 in moles. Now we have converted it to moles, so we'll give you this. So now what do you have then? You have 1 faraday is given as what? 96,500. You have 91 times 96,500 times this number. So this is our quantity. Quantity is equal to this. So when you now multiply this, let's use calculator. So when you multiply the whole of this one, what you have is 29,434.25. So we have our quantity now. So since we have our quantity now, we have our current. Current is given as what? 5 amperes. So what we are going to look at is what? We are going to look at the time. You now substitute time now. So you have to make time the subject of formula. If you make time the subject of formula, what you have to do what? You divide all through by a current so that time will now be alone. Let's continue. Like I said, for you to get your time, you know that quantity is equal to current times time. Do you understand? So So the next thing you are going to do, you are looking for time. So you do what? You divide all through by current. You divide this one by current so that here will now be alone. So you now have T is equal to quantity all over what? All over current. And time now will now be equal to what? Quantity. What is our quantity? Our quantity is given as what? 2,943.25. All over. What is the time? The time is what? 5 ampere. 5. See now is equal to, let's use our calculator. So when you divide this one by this one, you have 588.65 seconds. Of course, time is measured in seconds, but if you want to convert this seconds into 1 minute, you have this one converted into minutes, you have 10 minutes. So our time here is what? 10 minutes or 588.65 seconds. So this problem, one of this problem, it is solved in just 2 steps. If you subscribe to Ojemai TV, Ojemai TV gives you the best of solution in chemistry. What you can ever think of, you will find it in Ojemai TV. Subscribe to Ojemai TV. Comment on any topic you don't understand, more especially for students in university and students in secondary school, on the topic that they don't understand, both biology and chemistry. Subscribe to it and also make comments. This is also a topic I don't understand. Ojemai TV will give you solution to it. Thank you and God bless you all.